Introducing Parisian Oak. Inspired by the minimalist philosophy of Nordic Design, Parisian Oak vinyl plank captures the essence and unmatched beauty found in nature, and is available in a 7-inch by 48-inch plank format. Parisian Oak features 4 soft and modern colors: Café, Meringue, Champignon, and Croissant. Placing emphasis on clean lines and simplicity, Parisian Oak is the perfect addition to a Scandinavian Nordic-styled home, which uses simple silhouettes, natural materials, and a neutral color palette, all elements that are perfect complements to any Parisian Oak floor. Combining subtle saw marks, realistic wood-filled knots, a refined surface texture, and featuring painted bevels on ADURA Max and Rigid, and a micro bevel on ADURA Flex, this white oak visual will create a peaceful and calming environment in any home. Mannington. Begin to imagine.